Hello, children. Welcome to your English class. This is your English teacher, Ms. Balwinder Singla. I hope you all are in the pink of health. Children, today we are going to study Lesson 8, The Brave Queen. Yes, the brave queen Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi. She was a young queen and an important leader of India's struggle against the British in 1857. She is remembered for her bravery and sacrifice. This play tells us about some of the important events in her life. Let me first of all introduce all the characters of this play to you. Narrator, a person who narrates or tells a story. Sage, sage means a very wise man. Moropant Tambe, Tambe's wife. Manu, who was later known as Rani. Nana, Gangadhar Rao, state priest. State priest is a person who performs religious ceremonies. Courtier, courtier means advisor. Major Alice, soldier. Messengers, messengers are the persons who carry messages. And ministers, ministers are the senior diplomatic or thoughtful representatives. So first I'll explain you scene 1. In scene 1, the narrator says, Moropant Tambe, a courtier of the Maratha ruler Bajirao II, is very happy today. He and his wife have had a baby girl. Have had a baby girl means they are blessed with a baby girl and they have named her Manikarnika, Manu for short. At Tambe's residence, residence means his home, people are singing and dancing. Tambe is receiving guests and the baby in her mother's arms is the center of attraction. Center of attraction means all are giving attention to the baby. Just then, a sage with flowing white hair arrives. Flowing white hair means his white hair are hanging freely. He arrives. Tambe touches his feet. The sage blesses him, then walks across to bless the child. Sage, blessing the child, exclaims. Exclaims means speaks in surprise. What a lovely baby! Look at the glow on her face. Glow means shine. Mark my words. Mark my words means listen carefully and remember. This is no ordinary child. No ordinary child means this is not a common child. She is destined to make history. Destined to make history means sure to be very famous. Take good care of her. Take good care of her means look after her very well. Everyone present listens in awe. Awe means wonder and stands still. Still means without moving as the sage leaves. Now scene 2. Narrator says, as a young girl, Manu has a friend and companion. Companion means partner. Nana, the son of Bajirao. A young girl and boy of the same age, dressed in riding gear. Riding gear means riding kit. They enter. The boy is out of breath. Out of breath means he is breathing fast. Manu, laughing. Nana, you're already breathless. Breathless means breathing fast. I warned you. Warned you means made aware. I warned you not to challenge me. But you did. Now you know who rides faster. Nana says, I know, I know. What a fool I was. Admiringly. Admiringly means in a way that shows respect or warm approval. He says, Manu, you are really brave. The way you lifted me onto your horse and when I fell, and the way you rode were remarkable. Remarkable means extraordinary. I couldn't have done that. Manu. Now Manu says, all this is due to my father, Nana. Due to means because of. After my mother died, he took me to Bithura, where I took lessons in horse riding and warfare. Warfare means the activity of fighting a war. Someday I shall become a soldier. Nana. He says, and I shall ride by your side, means I will always be with you. Remember, Manu, if you ever need me, all you have to do is call. He assures her that he is always with her. Manu, I will remember, Nana. Then narrator. Narrator says, the two part ways. Part ways means it's an idiom which means to leave each other, to go to their respective homes. Time flies. Time flies means time passes very quickly. Moropant Tambe receives a messenger who has a marriage proposal. Marriage proposal means offer of marriage for Manu. The proposal is from Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. Manu's father agrees to the marriage proposal and is happy. He should be, for Gangadhar Rao is a good man. Now coming to scene 3. At the scene of the wedding, festivities are on. Festivities means joyful celebrations. The state priest of Jhansi addresses Tambe. Addresses means he speaks to Tambe. State priest. He says, it is our privilege. Privilege means special right or advantage, and joy to have such a noble queen. Noble means good and honest. She will surely bring honor to the name of Jhansi. Honor means respect. Narrator. Now this is scene 4. Narrator says, as the wheel of life turns, means as the time passes, the Rani of Jhansi faces many challenges. Her happiest moment is when a son is born to her in 1851, but 3 months later the baby dies. It was very unfortunate and very sad for Rani and her husband when the baby dies. As the fort of Jhansi, Gangadhar Rao and Rani Lakshmi Bai are in a serious discussion. Gangadhar. Manu, I am very worried. Worried means very upset and very sad. The British are rapidly gaining power. Rapidly means quickly. They are gaining power. And now there is a new law. It says that if a king dies without leaving an heir, heir means a person entitled to receive property or a title from someone after their death, then his kingdom will be taken over by the British. Taken over means will be controlled by the British. Rani, she says, yes, I know. The cunning British, cunning means clever, very clever. British have taken over many kingdoms like this, and our son is no more. Gangadhar, we could adopt a son if you agree. Adopt means to take a child of other parents as one's own child. Rani says, I would be very happy to do that. She agrees. Now scene 5. Narrator. Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao adopt a son and call him Damodar Rao. But fate has another tragedy in store for the Rani. Fate means destiny or fortune. It has another tragedy. Tragedy means an event causing great sadness or suffering. The day after their son comes home, Gangadhar Rao passes away. So it was a very sad situation for Rani. The British refused to recognize the adopted son as his successor. Refuse means they reject. They did not recognize the adopted son as his successor or higher. He is not granted the right to rule. Granted means allowed. One day at the fort in Jhansi, courtier announces Major Ellis to see the Rani. Now Major Ellis has come to see Rani. The major enters and is seated. Rani. Now Rani says, Major Ellis, I have written many letters to the Governor General, Lord Dalhousie, regarding my son. Why is my son not being granted the right to rule? She complains. Major Ellis says, because he is only an adopted son, Rani Lakshmi Bai, he cannot be the heir to the throne. Throne means the royal seat of king. And regarding yourself, I have an order from the Governor General of India. He says to Rani that he has brought one order for her. You are to leave the fort and live in a palace in the city. He says Rani that she has to leave the palace and this Jhansi and go and live in palace in the city. The fort of Jhansi will now come under British protection. Rani, protection? From whom? How unjust your laws are. Now Rani is very upset. I shall appeal against this order. Appeal means to challenge in the court of law. Now scene 6. Narrator. But the appeal is turned down. Turned down means refused. Lakshmi Bai and her son live quietly in the palace of at Jhansi for 3 years until 1857, when the mutiny breaks out. Mutiny means India's first war of independence. At the Rani's palace, one by one, the messengers report the latest news. Report means they describe the latest news happening around. Messenger 1. Rani, there is chaos all around. Chaos means complete disorder. Soldiers are refusing to use their rifle cartridges. Rifle cartridges means gun, and cartridges means container in which bullets are kept. They are refusing to use them. Messenger 2. He says, these soldiers have been dismissed and thrown into prison. Dismissed means they have been ordered to leave the job and they are thrown into the prison. Prison means jail. Then comes Messenger 3. He says, but other sepoys, sepoys means soldiers, they have killed many British officers. Then comes Messenger 4. He says, long live the Emperor of India. The sepoys have crowned Bahadur Shah Zafar king at Delhi. Rani, thoughtfully, yes, now is the time to act. I am certain, certain means sure, we can regain the fort. Regain means get back the fort. The force guarding it is weak and unprepared. Unprepared means not prepared. Give the call to our soldiers. Prepare for battle. Battle means war. Now scene 7. Narrator. The Rani has recaptured the fort. Recaptured means again taken control of. She is in the fort in her armor. Armor means metal coverings worn in battle. She is ready for war. Soldier enters hurriedly and bows. Enters hurriedly means quickly and bows. Bows means bends in respect. Rani Lakshmi Bai, I have bad news. 2 of our neighbors have sent armies to invade Jhansi. Invade means occupy. And Sadashiv Rao, our late Maharaja's nephew, has laid claim to this throne. Has laid claim to the throne means to state as its own right. To make matters worse. To make matters worse means to make a situation more difficult. The British have captured Delhi and now on their way here. Means now they are approaching here. Rani, pacing up and down. Pacing up and down is the way of stepping or walking. Summon my ministers. Summon means order. Order my ministers. We need to make decisions and act quickly. The ministers arrive. Arrive means they came. Rani, If we surrender to the British, we could save our lives. Surrender means give up. But I will not give up my Jhansi without a fight, because she was a brave warrior. She did not want to give up. It's better to die with honor than to live in shame. Honor means respect. She said that it would be better if we die with respect than to live in shame. What do you say? She asks her ministers. Ministers say together, your word is our command. Means the ministers say that they will do whatever their Rani will order to them to do. We are with you all the way. All the way means totally or fully. Rani, smiling with pride. She is feeling proud of having such good ministers. Very well, then. We have two friends who will not let us down. Let us down means they will not disappoint us. Send word to Tatya Tope to come and to Nana Sahib. Tell Nana that Mannu needs his help to fight the British. He will come. Narrator. Rani Lakshmi Bai, dressed as a soldier, fights fiercely. Fiercely means violently, but is recognized and shot dead by a British soldier as she leads her horse to jump across a canal. Canal means waterway. While she was jumping across the waterway, she was shot dead by a British soldier. Now, scene 8. Soldiers are on the bank of a river. The battle is over. Rani Lakshmi Bai is lying dead on the ground. Now she is lying dead on the ground. She has died in the war. Narrator. Her friends did not fail Rani Lakshmi Bai. Tatya Tope gave support and Nana kept his childhood promise. Yet they could not save the gallant Rani. Gallant means brave and honorable. So the narrator says that all her friends, Tatya Tope and Nana he had kept his childhood promise that he will always remain with Rani whenever she will need him. But they were not able to save her. Was she really dead? No. The old sage was right. She had created history and would live in the hearts of men and women forever. So that was the great warrior Rani Lakshmi Bai.